So today we are in Boja. It's called the Riverside Boja Camping Hostel, like hotel hostel. In Boja there's not much to do. I think this is the only thing to do, but we wanted to be close to the Urangon. You can see behind here. It is a famous mountain between Semarang and Yogyakarta, and it's everything around it. It's missed by tourists, so that's why we travel from Semarang to some villages like this, and to show you if it's worth it to visit some other places beside the big cities like Yogyakarta. This hostel is inside a mini theme park, so you get a free access to this mini theme park. Well, it's quite nice if you have kids actually, but for us, I don't know, we're gonna have a look. They have alligators here. Look. So one other thing they have is fake houses. They have a florist and the grocery store, music and photos. And it would have been nice if it was a real cafe, but it isn't.
The bird lady.
I feel like Snow White. Yeah. It tickles. They're really interested in the rings. Can't blame them. I like my jewelry. It's beautiful, isn't it? What do you see? It's supposed to be very smart, eh?
He's
really kind, yeah. He's really careful. Yeah. They want more, right? I'm not fast enough. I'm trying though. Here you go. So we're gonna try to make the best of our day now. We've planned a vlogging day, but we get almost, well, I get almost no sleep. I had earplugs, but Giovanni didn't get any sleep at all. There was a guy sleeping next to us, was snoring. Well, that's okay, you can sleep with that. But there was sort of an alarm, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and I don't know what kind of alarm, but it was so annoying and they didn't turn it off. No, it was kind of a bad night. This is not the perfect place to sleep here. All these noises and the music all day long. So we're gonna check out and we're gonna see some stuff, but I don't know how much we're gonna do actually.